for people that are trying to put brand together, here's my question you have to ask yourself. What can I do for other people in my local geographical area that I could highlight or show people, just even 4 or 5 people in a hallway, in your office, at a Starbucks, in a title company, wherever it may be, and just start documenting it. Throw it up on Instagram Live and start saying, hey guys, I'm here with 5 people. I'm showing them my last 5 failures and what I learned from those 5 failures in a 40-minute dissertation.
Incredible.
You could start, that's not even where we started. I started in a Prius going, who wants to go on appointments with me and see me fail or succeed? I don't care what happens, but you're gonna learn something today.
Would it be a good idea for people to sit down and just write a note? Like, these are the 5 things I'm excellent at.
Yeah, or things that I'm excited about, even if I'm not good at them. Like, I get excited about talking to sellers, right? Brent said last night on Wholesale Hotline, he's like, I don't get excited about calling sellers. That's your thing. I go, yeah, great. But I was excited about it even when I wasn't good at it.
Right.
So if you're excited about it, that means you have something in your heart that you can passionately convey to somebody else's heart to get them to get over that. So I would say 5 things you're excited about learning, or 5 things that you actually know. You don't have to be an expert on anything, in my opinion, to talk about it. You could talk about the things that you're failing at, right?
And would that be a great place for somebody to start with just their share? Because you don't have to come out of and here's the thing I think a lot of people think about when they talk personal brand. They're like, oh, I got to have my logo. They feel that they've got to have Pace Morby Subto out the gate.
No.
But that's an evolution.
Big time.
It doesn't happen out the gate. It evolves into that.
I didn't deserve to have a logo until I built a community.
Guys, hear that again. Okay, rewind that part. I didn't deserve to have a logo until I built a community. It's not even his logo, it's the community's logo, right? And so think of that. All of you guys out there right now thinking about, oh, I'm going to build my personal brand. What's the first thing you're looking to do? How do I pass this off to a graphic designer to go make me a logo? How do I name it?
Yeah.
Guys, you are the brand, right? That's why it says personal brand. It's not about that, right? It's about you being the person that says, okay, how do I elevate myself? How do I become so loud that I'm recognizable? How do you become an Ingrid? How do you become a Munif? How do you become a Michelle, a Paul, a Brittany? How do you do these things? A Dan Quijano? How do you become these people? It's by elevating, sharing, and being yourself truly all the time.
I think
you build, and then you build a character.
Yeah, the thing that we have as an advantage in the last 20 years is that the brands that used to exist 20 years ago were all the slick people, right? They were the people that were only on stage, only on TV, only on whatever. But with the advent of social media, what's happened is the teeter-totter, the balance has actually gone the other way, which people appreciate transparency and authenticity more than anything else. And they also help people, the world loves go-givers. And so what I see is these rooms that you and I are part of, masterminds, and we'll go to another mastermind, we'll go to another mastermind. The people who kind of rise with brand are the people who are natural go-givers.
Right.
And they're less fearful of sharing everything. And that what happens is the world that we live in right now honors that, and they reward that. And so if you guys have any go-giverness in your heart, I would say give it all away. Give it all away.